invite Ekla Limbu from Sikkim to please come forward and share her thoughts.
I come from a state which is famous for being green and clean. I come from a state which is organic, which is the 22nd state of India and which is the Himalayan state of India. Mera Sikkim, Pyara Sikkim, Santi Sadbhavna ka Pradesh Sikkim. A very warm good morning to all the dignitaries present out here. Respected MOS Madam, respected secretaries, dignitaries, the officials from My Bharat and Ministry of Youth and Sports Affairs, my dear friends and everyone present out here. I am Ekla Limbu from Sikkim. Before sharing my experience, firstly, I would like to thank the Honorable Prime Minister of our India, Shri Narendra Modi ji, for his vision that made us able to come to this hall and express our views. Secondly, I would like to thank the Ministry of Sports and Youth Affairs and My Bharat, the whole team who has been here for us day and night since, I guess, months back or weeks back. Thank you so much for this opportunity. Thirdly, I would like to thank the Honorable Chief Minister of our Sikkim, who is very youth-centric, Shri Prem Singh Tamang Gole sir, and our Honorable Lok Sabha MP, Dr. Indrahang sir, for guiding us and supporting us always. Now, moving on with my experience, what would I like to say is, this was my third attempt. I've always made to the state level, but somehow I didn't come to the top 3. This year, I finally made it. And I was able to come. And I am here standing at the central hall of the parliament, Samvidhan Sadan. I always dreamt of standing here and delivering a speech. I always dreamt of living in a 5-star hotel. I always dreamt of coming in a plane, and My Bharat made it possible. My first flight, my first visit to Delhi, my first stay at the 5-star hotel, and I must say that I've lived my dream fully. And about my dear friends, I couldn't interact with all the 108 friends here, but I've made many friends, and I would like to say that I'll surely visit all the states, not all, following the states in days to come. And I also would like to request all my friends to please kindly do visit Sikkim. It is very beautiful. I would love to welcome you all to Sikkim. No matter what the results today are, we are here, and that is very important. Whether we win, whether we lose, learning is very important. And I know that we all have learned something from every one of us. At the very outset, at the very last, now I would like to say a few lines from my poem, Life. Life can be that of a pack of cards, sometimes dealt an ill hand and sometimes a great one. Betting at times and at times withdrawing, we live on the edge, some days dying and some days winning. Life, as I can tell, can be that of a fairy tale or even wishes from hell. But be as it may, it is meant to be lived and enjoyed. Each day a new dawn, each night a reflection. All we can do is go living on. And I hope with this thing, we all will be a catalyst for the Vikshit Bharat 2047. And at the very last, I would like to say there's a saying in Nepali, Naumari bache, daibale sache, feri bhetaula. That means if death doesn't do a part, or if the mighty God wishes, we'll surely meet again. Thank you, everyone. Thank you so much.
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।